Hey everyone, welcome to the course. My name is Professor William Quisenberry. I'm going to be your facilitator this term. I just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce myself, to give you a welcome to the class. You can find more about me, an official background and intro within the classroom portal. So feel free to pull that down to get a bit more specifics about my background, experience, etc. But again, this was just a quick opportunity to allow you to hear my voice and to see my face and to receive a quick welcome to the class. Please be sure that you go out to the classroom portal and pull down all the specifics about the class, the syllabus. Also, my contact details are available as well. If questions come up, please do get in touch. Likely the best way to reach me is via email, and I'll be sure to respond ASAP, typically within 24 hours for sure. You can also feel free to leverage my mobile phone as well. I've provided that within the classroom as well, and so either or is perfectly fine, whichever works best for you. I've also provided details on my office hours and when I'll be available, but do not feel as though you're limited to those hours alone. If you would like to get in touch with me at your earliest convenience, if there's a question you have or something that's come up, you can always feel free to give me a call as well, or just send me an email again, and I'll be sure to get back with you ASAP. So, again, welcome to the class. I'm excited to be with you. I hope that you find the material and the course worthwhile, beneficial, and a great learning experience. And I'm certainly looking forward to engaging with each of you. Okay, so I'll be in touch soon. Everyone, take care. Bye bye.